another set of dance tutorial. Today I have my dance mate with me, all my lovely students. Please introduce yourself. What's your name?
Cherry.
Cherry.
Noble.
Noble.
Maman.
Maman.
Shelly.
Shelly. Annie. And Icy. Isabella. See that one? Okay. Okay, let's start. Yeah. Let's start. Ready? This one first. Alright. You're gonna step your right. 1, 2. Step your left to the back. 4. And nay. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Again. 5, 6, 7, and then right. 2, 3. Jump. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, from here, this is 2 counts. 1, 2, 2 counts. 3, 4. Alright, 5, 6. From here, 5, 6, you're gonna open on 7 and the 8. Alright, 7 and then 1, 2, 3, amen. 5, 6, shoulder and 8, brush. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, slip and 8. So we end up on 7 and 8. Then you're gonna go crisscross. Your hand is going like this while your foot is crisscross. 7 and ha. So 7, 8, 1, 2. So stay your arm. 1, 2. Then you're gonna slide. 3, 4. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Slide. 4. And this one, your legs 5, 6. Then 5, 6, 7, and 5, 6. Step your left, 7, and 8. Okay, that's right. Very slow. 7 and 8. You gotta crisscross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're gonna go 7, 8. Okay? So again, from the top, 5, 6, 7, and step. 1, 3, jump. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, change. Hop, left, right, and jump across. 5, hop, rush, step, hop. Okay, from here, guys, 7 and so when you close this one, you're gonna hit at the same time. You're gonna switch 2 times. So this is 7, hit. Okay? Again, 7 and 5. Set. Okay? That's right. From crisscross. And tap, cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this one is like that. 5, 6, 7, and step your left, right, shit. Did I say shit? Okay, let's try from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, shoulder, 7 and 8, brush, 1, 2, 2 count, 3, 4, 5, raise, open, knee, and crisscross, slide, 5 and 6, you're gonna go 7, 8. So that 8 is 2 counts. 8. Alright, from here, you're gonna go 1, you're gonna go 1 and 2. That's right, from 7, 8, 1 and 2. So you bend your back. It's like you're sleeping. Alright, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2. Okay, that's fast. That's right. Ha, hit, and 7 and hook, drop. So 2 scoop only. Right and left. 7 and right, left, close. 7 and then left, right, close. 7 and then left, right. Okay? Copy? So from here, step your right, 1, away, 2, 3, 4. It's as simple as that. Step your right, away, 4. So if you put countings on it, you're gonna go 1, 2, and 3, 4. Try to imagine you're walking in the beach, in the water. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like that. 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then step your right. 5, 6, then 7, away on 8. Then chin up. Not so chin up, just still chin. I mean, just a little bit. Okay, from here again, from the top. 7, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, up. 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, and 5, 6, 7, away on 8. Copy that? So from here you're gonna go open 1, 2, 3, then 4. Then from here you can do anything, just add lib. Alright, let's try. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Step your right away. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, add lib, 7 and 8. Okay? So from here, we're gonna repeat this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and copy. Then from here, you're gonna remove this one. Instead of doing the shoulder one, you're gonna turn and drop. Yes. Because we're gonna do a little bit slower, okay? So 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and okay, that's that. 1, hop, 3, cross, boom, and away. 1, 2, 3, add it, boom, 6, 7, and then repeat. No, that's it. Wait. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And go. Whoop, whoop, ha, ha. This time, turn and down. Okay? Alright, we end up on 5, 6, and 7. Sorry, 8. Okay. Because of you. From down, you're gonna go 1, 8, go out. You can do any freestyle. Slowly, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, we'll chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 2 counts. 3, 4, 5. Alright, 5. This is 5, 6. Alright, just and open. Then 8. Copy? Again. Let's try again. Up 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll chain them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you're gonna go open on 7, drop on 8. So from 7, drop on 8. Okay? 7, 8. From here you're gonna go 1, 2. Then sorry, this one is 3, 4. 3, 4. Then step back. 5, 6, 7, another 8. One more time. From the top up from the floor. 7, 8. Very slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step back. 5, 6, 7, and 9. And smile. Alright, let's do it from the beginning. From the back. Alright, from the beginning. Why are you guys laughing? 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. Cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, away! And 1, 2, 3, 4, up and lift 5, 6, 7, and again 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, turn 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, holding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, open and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8, hard. Yes. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you like the videos. Please stay tuned for more dance videos, dance tutorials, and if you want to watch the dance, the whole choreography with the music, I will put the video in the link down description below. So please support us, and God bless you all. Bye bye.